Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design video blog. Today we're going to look at a new-ish product from Hunter Douglas, and that's the Silhouette DuoLite. So you've seen silhouettes before. They look like this. So you've got a sheer facing on the front and the back with a fabric louver. And over on this side, you're going to see that they're not down yet. In my hand is the Hunter Douglas PowerView remote control, and you can see that it has different channels, 1 through 6 at the top, a favorite button which is signified by a heart, and an all button here. On the remote we're going to light up channels 1, 2, and 3, which will correspond to these 3 shades in front of us, and notice what happens when we hit the close button. Now close means dark in this case, so the shades are going to lower themselves to the bottom. You'll notice one issue here with the handle. It does release itself, but sometimes we help release it. The shade will tip open, as you're seeing, and then this is the pièce de résistance. The shades behind, this is a separate layer right here, and it is lowering to the bottom to provide more room darkening for the space. Letting it go all the way down just for effect. Now the camera compensates quite a bit for the light, and actually, no, that's actually pretty close to where it's supposed to be anyway, but I'm sorry, I'll edit that later if I feel like it. But in the meantime, you're able to now use the remote and hit the tip open button right here on the right side, and those same shades, the back portion is going up, the room darkening version. Once it gets to the top, then we'll be able to hit the tipped close position, which is right here, and the shades will, instead of being a sheer view to the outside, we'll be able to create a privacy situation where you also have light filtering in. So again, we're going to use the tip closed, and these shades are tipping to the privacy configuration, so you cannot see through them, but you're still getting a lot of natural light. So for me, this is one of my favorite products right now. Again, the Silhouette with DuoLite, and I thank you for watching the Kempler Design video blog.